Good morning, guys. Today is the last pickup with CFI. It's a bittersweet moment. We're literally 6 miles away from the shipper. We're bobtail, so I don't know if we're actually going to be able to pick it up right now or not. According to my fleet manager yesterday, he said it was fine to bobtail in and pick it up, but we'll just see how it plays out. I hope it is, because I don't want to spend all day searching around San Antonio for an empty CFI. But it'd be the way to go out, spend all my day. Today's not the last day, sadly. Sadly. We got like 800 miles to Kansas City from San Antonio, so we'll be there on Saturday. Today's Friday, and then we'll be dropping it, cleaning out the truck on Saturday, moving everything to the vehicle, and then we'll have a couple days off at home to relax. I was gonna like push it and go to orientation, but yesterday was like just a really stressful day, and I called them and I was like, hey, let's push orientation out till Wednesday. So if you're seeing this, I'm probably in orientation or on my way there right now. I announced it in a live stream, but I kind of said it yesterday. The company we are going to is GP Transco. We're going to the company that Alex, the trucking guy, drives for. And I think I said it in the live. You know, I'm not going there to meet Alex. I'm going there because A, they allow me to continue to produce videos for you guys, and B, it just seems like one of the better companies that I could make a transition to. You know, pay and all their incentives that they have. So I'm really excited to get over there and get going with them. The only bad thing is they're based out of the Chicago area, so I think, you know, like, probably gonna be going through the Chicago area a lot. So, but, you know, we'll get used to Chicago traffic pretty quick, I think, and all that fun stuff. So, like I said, we got 5 miles to go till our pickup, and we'll talk to you there. Hopefully everything's good. Well, I was about to say, on this week of Bonehead Truckers, is when I went through the back over there, it looks like those two trucks had hit each other. They both were backing at the same time, and they looked like they were pretty dang close to each other. I don't know what's going on. I don't know. I also don't know what this, like, I pulled up, I was like, how's it going? And the guy, like, I don't know if he didn't speak very good English, but he was just like, huh? I'm like, so I can't even really hear. I shut the engine off to hear what he was trying to say. And I think he said make a right down at the bottom, but I don't know. So possibly our trailer's over here. I guess we're gonna find out. I'm not really too sure. Otherwise, we'll have to go back over there once those guys clear out and look again. But I did see a CFI over here alongside over here. So maybe it's a CFI. Maybe it's sitting in a door. I don't know. I have no idea. I hope it's just up here. That'd be nice. Looks like our trailer's gonna be over here. So we are gonna hook up to it. And we're gonna find out how heavy she is real quick. Should be in 395. We're at 381 right now, so we just got to go down just a little bit further. There she is. I can see her right now. The last trailer Riding with Jay is picking up here in San Antonio. 41729 trailer number. Inspection looks good. Go ahead and cut her up. Hard left. Straighten her out. And we're gonna have to go right here. Our mud flap on the back of our tractor is a little messed up, so we're gonna fix that here in a second before we actually back under. That's always a pain to fix those stupid mud flaps. You gotta beat it with a hammer, dude. I'm not looking forward to that. Alright, right there. Pretty much lined up, but we gotta fix that mud flap. I'll show you guys. We'll fix the mud flap with you. How about that? How about them apples, alright? It's gonna be fun. Grab my keys. It's a little chilly out, too. Actually, it's not too bad. We need gloves too. This gets dirty. Need a rubber mallet. Got a rubber mallet. Hopefully the other one didn't go up. No. It's normally this side. I don't know what causes this crap, but it is annoying, dude. Normally it takes a lot more hits. Oh my goodness. There we go. Maybe I've beaten it so much that it's getting used to going in. Go unlock the side box back up. Now we're gonna back right under. Last time, hopefully we ain't gotta lower the landing gear. Oh no, perfect. Do a tug test real quick. That looks awesome, dude. It looks like it's super light too. Guess we'll pick it up for the last time at CFI 2 here on camera. Let's just do it all in this video, right? Oh yeah, looking good. Tandems are all the way to the rear and it's that light. That's bad. That means it's just like pallets or something. This landing gear sucks, so. No problems with bobtailing in. They were cool with it, so that's good. Oh. Skipped out of gear. Pop that in. Get our hoses hooked up. Baby. Hopefully these are self-inflating tires. No, but they're super singles. Hopefully it's a lever. It is. Let's go. They're not self-inflating though. Got a seal on the back. Both mud flaps are there. Once we slide up our tandems, we'll have to get our pressure gauge for that one. Once we slide up our tandems, we'll do the light check, but I don't have my lights on yet. We're doing our pre-trip here, and we noticed on our pre-trip that our wires were hanging low. So we're gonna have to figure out how to wire this up to get them to stay off the ground. Guess maybe this. We'll see. If you look, they're too low. So let's see if this works. I don't know why I put that other one on there. That's why. I'm just gonna have to do this the very janky way. I hope these seals will hold it the whole time. This is definitely, I mean, it just has to be up high enough off the ground. Hopefully those hold. They may not hold, but we'll check it here in about 6 hours when we get stopped. If not, we'll have to figure out something else. I just don't have zip ties, so this is like, I'm actually gonna take the tension off. I guess I really don't have a choice. Rather sit on the knuckle like that. So that's how we're gonna do it for now. It has to be at least a foot or 2 feet off the ground. It's a foot, but that's what we gotta do. So, yeah. All right, we're getting ready to roll now. All right, boys. Last pickup with Riding with Jay at CFI. We're rolling out now, and we got quite a ways to go. 841 miles to Kansas City. Actually 815 if I take the Garmin way. I'll probably do the Garmin way. We'll probably stop at that TA in Hillsboro again and do our 30. I think we'll be good on time at that point to do that. Can't really see because that international's sticking out like that. I might just creep out. Oh, there's another truck stop, so we're gonna be good to go here. Go out. 4 lanes of traffic, almost 5, but we're leaving now. So headed to Hillsboro, stop there at that TA. I don't even know how long it's gonna be till we get there. A while, because we still gotta go through, well, I think we're gonna take the bypass. Yeah, probably take the bypass out of Austin. That way I don't have to, or around Austin, so I don't have to go through Austin again, because that took up like a whole damn hour yesterday. All right, it's time to stop at my favorite TA. No, it's probably up there though. This one I do stop at. This is probably like the 5th time I've been to this one here. We're gonna get a shower here and grab lunch. And then there's a good chance that I'm stopping at a rest area tonight. That's why I said I'm gonna grab a shower, even though I could just stop at Love's and grab a shower. But if I'm gonna stop here, I might as well just stop here and check to see how far I can make it from here, you know, see, because I need to do a 30 to get all my hours back. And I don't know where we can park. No, I'm going the wrong way here. I was about to turn in there, but I don't know if I can make that or not. I'm gonna turn in here. I'm definitely going the wrong way though. We'll figure it out here in a second. I don't know why they have their buckets raised like that. That's crazy. Why would you raise your bucket while it's parked like that? Oh, and they dropped their landing gear? Is it maybe to prevent it from being towed? Maybe? Or is that kind of a stupid idea that I had? Dude, is this Keen Thummel driver in his damn truck? He is. I'm gonna talk to him. I don't see him. I've been trying to talk to a Keen Thummel driver, because that is pretty close to where I grew up. And that's like the 4th one I've seen this week. So I don't know if they're just running down, and I wonder how many trucks that company has. It's gotta be quite a few. Actually, I think I can make this here. Maybe. Let's see. But what am I doing, bro? This is dumb. I'll take an in parking spot, I guess. Should be fine, actually. It's kind of a weird way to set it up, but looks like we got her good. I'm gonna swing out left and then come back right. And then go back left. He's looking, he's like, what the hell? Whatever. There we go. That's where we're gonna stop. And shut the truck off. And yeah, get a shower. I don't know why I didn't recognize it, but right there is the school book depository building where John F. Kennedy was assassinated by Henry Lee Oswald. Right there. There it is. It's that brown building right there. And I think this is the tunnel right here that the escape car came through. I believe so. Or maybe the road's on a different side. I have to look it up, but that is the school book depository building right there. I bet, I don't know, but I want to come back to Dallas and like drive my personal vehicle down here so I can see that. Maybe I should do that this weekend since it's only 512 miles. Because I've always wanted to go to that spot and just like soak it all in. I've seen like all the documentaries and shit, but you know, I've never actually been there, you know, and it's just a crazy time. So I can't believe I've been this way like 100 times and I just never noticed that was the building. The last time sleeping in Lucy. We got 292 miles to cover tomorrow. Take like 5 hours. We're gonna park at this Love's here in Oklahoma for the night and wake up tomorrow and roll out and get all of our stuff out and be done with her. So see if we can find a nice easy spot for the night. Nothing too hard. There's a perfect one straight ahead. You see it? It's a straight back. Look how easy that's gonna be. Love me some straight backs. Hey, there's a GP Transco here. Who thinks it's Alex, the trucking guy? Should I go knock and be like, are you awake? Oh, you're not Alex, never mind. No, actually, Honestly, I think I said it already, but I don't really care if I meet him or not. I mean, if I do, I do. If not, it's whatever. We're gonna take this straight back here, though. Oh, we set up good for it, but then we messed it up. That's okay. Give it some right here. Push it over to the left. Keep it there. Start working it back. Golden. Kind of close. All right, make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe for future content. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.
Come on, everything is a-okay when you're riding with Jay. Keep those wheels turning and we do this every day. Backing up a trailer, look at all the roads I've driven. Come and ride with me, yeah, let me show you how I'm living. Come on.